Guys, home is sweet. Home is sweet. I'm happy being with my people. I'm happy being with Orogun people. God bless Orogun Genetic worldwide. Thanks for the honor. Thanks for the recognition. God go bless you all. Orogun, see the president of Orogun Genetic worldwide. See my also Chief Oriogbe. See another of my also from Orogun, Chief Edwin Achugbe. Present award to my brother. See follow me, legit Orobo boy. God bless you. And this is our sister first Orogun child. God bless you. God bless you all, man. I really enjoyed the occasion. My Rome, mama. Oh, my Rome. See Orogun children now. See Orogun children. Orogun Genetic worldwide. On to find. See Orogun children, man. I really enjoyed the occasion. I enjoyed the occasion. My sister, enjoy your food though. Now say be Orogun Genetic worldwide. God go bless honor. This is the CEO T20 Hotel Orogun. Chief Edwin Achugbe. God bless you. God bless Orogun Genetic worldwide. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. Thank you for the encouragement to Orogun sons and daughters. God go bless all of us.
There is a mother of our son. We are doing this to encourage most of us. During the first matriculation in Orogun Polytechnic, by the grace of God, I was there. And immediately we left, I saw some persons. I said, they came in, they did some interview. Immediately they went to school. They gave some children, but they did quiz and they presented something to them. I want to tell you that I subscribe to Urhobo Kpako TV. If you watch Urhobo Kpako TV, you will see that there are a lot of movies they act. A lot of movie they act that is promoting our tradition. And I'm proud to say that man is from Orogun. I'm proud to say. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the CEO, Urhobo Kpako TV, Festus, Ogheneruemu, Clerk. Why I call our daddy to present this to him.
Orogun Genetics. Orogun Genetics. I am proud to be an indigene of this kingdom, Orogun Kingdom. Thank you again for this privilege given to me to present this award to one of ours, a brother and a son of this land. Before you saw this game that we played just now, Some of the games we played while we were young in the village. And we make life so easy and sweet for ourselves here. On behalf of Orogun Genetics, I present this to you. Mr. Festus, Ogheneruemu, on behalf of the Orogun Genetics. I need to know this plaque as an award of excellence promoting the culture and tradition of Orogun Kingdom. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Urhobo Genetic worldwide must grow. First of all, want to say big thanks to Urhobo Genetic worldwide.